In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for YouTube video promotion fast and easy. Whether you're new to Pinterest or trying to get the most out of it for your YouTube channel, this guide is here to walk you through the essentials. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Pinterest on Google. Click on the first link that appears. If you don't already have a Pinterest account, be sure to sign up. It's a good idea to switch to a Pinterest business account, so you gain the benefit of accessing analytics and ads, which can give you a clearer picture of how your content is performing. With your account set up, the next step is optimizing your Pinterest profile. Think of your profile as an extension of your brand. A business account allows you to utilize Pinterest's analytics tools, which provide valuable insights into your audience engagement. Moving forward, create boards that are centered around your video topics. For organizational clarity, categorize these boards by the themes covered on your channel. For example, if you're a travel vlogger, boards might include budget travel tips, food adventures, and travel gear reviews. Be sure to use SEO-friendly titles and include descriptive keywords to enhance discoverability. Now let's make your videos stand out with clickable pins. Design tall, eye-catching pins using Canva templates with dimensions of 1000x 1500 pixels. These sizes are visually impactful on Pinterest. Incorporate text overlays such as "Watch Tutorial" or "Full Guide on YouTube" to entice viewers. Always ensure that your pins link directly to the specific YouTube video URL and not just your channel homepage. Another effective strategy is to leverage video and idea pins. Upload short clips or teasers of your YouTube videos as video pins to grab attention. Idea pins are perfect for sharing highlights and can include a call to action like "Watch the full video on YouTube." In your pin titles, descriptions, and alt text, embed relevant keywords and hashtags. An example could be "How to grow on YouTube, video SEO tips." Aim for around 3 to 5 relevant hashtags to extend your pin's reach. To maximize your video's promotion, create multiple pins varying in design and headlines for each video. For instance, a fitness video can turn into several distinct pins like 10-minute fat-burning workout, quick at-home cardio routine, and burn calories fast, no equipment. Consistency is key when posting. Aim to share 1 to 5 fresh pins daily using tools like Pinterest Scheduler or Tailwind. Use a mix of direct video links and blog post links, especially if your videos are embedded on a blog, as it can boost your SEO traffic. Finally, track your performance regularly. Use Pinterest Analytics to find out which pins are most effective in driving traffic to your videos. Additionally, check your YouTube analytics for insights on watch times and traffic sourced from Pinterest. With these steps, you're now equipped to effectively promote your YouTube videos on Pinterest, enhancing your reach and engagement. Happy pinning, and see you in the next video.